Hello friends, it's me Non-Stop Creative. For those who are new to this channel, I am a watercolor artist. In this channel, I will show you different techniques, tips that enhance your creativity. Also, I try different artists' artwork just for inspiration. Join me to learn new things. Fall season is coming soon, so it is my welcome painting to fall. It's my birthday month and I wish this month brings joy to all of you. That will be my birthday wish. For this painting, I'm using different images together. I don't know if they look nice or not, but let's give it a try. So for this, I'm using specific fall colors because it's a fall theme painting, and I kind of want it to look like scrapbook page because I love scrapbook. I always want to make one, but I didn't have enough time, so this page I'm trying to make like scrapbook page. Not really because I'm only drawing and painting, but all the things together look kind of scrapbook page. I like writing, so I'm drawing few books along lots of pens. And I couldn't forget my zodiac sign, which is very special to me. And if you try any artwork of mine, tag me on my Instagram so I can see your talent. And maybe I feature you on my next video. Let's go to the final look. You can ask questions in the comment based on my experience. I hope you like it, and if you like it, then consider liking the video and subscribing my channel. Your support really matters, so please support this channel and share this with your friends and family. And if you find this useful, share your feedback, DM me on my Instagram, nonstop creative one with no space. Thanks for watching.